We've had months of extreme weather, but prepare for stark warnings that what seems incredible now may become normal in the future. The UN's IPCC report will assess our planet's current climate and use groundbreaking modelling to predict what's ahead. We expect projections of hotter days, making things like wildfires more frequent in places you might expect them, but also in those you wouldn't. This was West Yorkshire in 2019.
This bit of the moor was really badly damaged by a fire, and there's still some damage that lurks below. If we have these fire events, longer term, they dry the moors out, and the drier they are, the more likely they are to catch fire again. So we get into this sort of cyclical nature.
And if fires here become more frequent, it will lead to floods.
We had some heavy rain about an hour ago, and already all the streams have come up really quickly. It can't sort of hold back the same amount of water that it used to do.
The IPCC reports are the most significant reports in climate science. The previous one formed the backbone of the historic Paris Climate Agreement in 2015, which saw world governments come together and pledge to limit global warming to ideally 1.5 degrees Celsius. So what can this new report do, published just months ahead of the UN climate conference in Glasgow? For many millions, Monday's report will provide the cold, hard data behind a reality they are already living. In June, we travelled to Bangladesh and saw the impact of rising sea levels and intensifying extreme weather like cyclones.
বাইরে ছিল আমাদের মানে ভিজে মাথা ছিল সেই ভাঙতে ভাঙতে এখন এই কাছে এসে গেছে এখন আর যাওয়ার জায়গা নেই
Previous IPCC reports establish the link between global warming and human activity. Expect more on that in the report. And that may sound bleak, but really it brings hope that the worst of a crisis created by humankind can be avoided if action is taken. Katerina Vittozzi, Sky News.